Hey, what's up, TR family? It's Tristan Reacts with another video. This one is a request from in a tizzy dash in dash a dash tizzy dash 05W. And again, in a tizzy has requested we do another song from Greta Van Fleet. This is live from the Candlelight sessions, and this song is called Tears of Rain. I'm excited to hear this one, as I have truly enjoyed Greta Van Fleet and so many other ones, so looking forward to this. Please make sure that we take care of these artists by doing the amazing things we already do, buying their music, buying their merchandise, going to their concerts, whatever it is that you guys do, please continue to do that. And then do me a huge favor. Go down into that description area, take a look around, because there's a ton of stuff down there. But more than anything, I want you to make sure you click on that link to get you over to Greta Van Fleet's official YouTube channel. Go over there, like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, hey, I saw you over on Tristan Reacts. That would be amazing. And while you're there, please also make sure that we try and forward some of their songs so that way they also get credit for those too, as we are trying to take care of them. And I think that would be amazing if you could do that. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and also hit that like button down below, as both of those things truly do help us with the algorithms. And please don't forget to share these videos. And as always, let's get into this. Wow. And again, sounding absolutely amazing yet again. And again, Josh sounding absolutely amazing. Again, that voice is just absolutely so cool. So different. I love the fact that it just is so different. Amazing job. And then we've got his brother, Jake, who is the guitarist that you heard, doing an amazing job, sounding fantastic. Then you have Sam, his other brother, who is on keyboards. A lot of the times you'll see him on either bass, guitar, keyboards, and he's always doing backing vocals too. So again, incredible job. He's on the keyboards on this one. And then finally, you've got Danny Wagner on the drums or percussion, and of course backing vocals also, doing an amazing job. And then it looks like you got a little bit of an orchestra here too. I'm not sure who they are, but again, incredible job. Sounds amazing. I'm definitely looking forward to more. Let's keep going.
The planet is still burning, can the faces are still burning, can the mothers with their children search for the rain, drifting through the plains before us, as it turns to dust before our eyes.
Again, absolutely incredible. That was Chewy. He just wanted up. He was kind of staring at me, giving me the "you gonna pick me up" kind of thing. He sits right next to me, but he absolutely gets into that point where he's like, "Hey, it's been like 3 seconds and you haven't touched me, or you haven't petted me, or I haven't been up in your, lap stretching, up by your head." He's a good boy though. He's just funny. Anyways, Greta Van Fleet sounding absolutely amazing. Josh again, his vocals just absolutely incredible. Jake again on the guitar, sounding amazing. Right here you can see Sam again doing a fantastic job on the keys, and then of course Danny Wagner on the drums, and the rest of the orchestra again sounding fantastic too. This is a really cool setup. They called it the Candlelight sessions. Very like intimate setting. Super cool. Enjoying it. And they sound amazing. Let's keep going. All right, buddy, I can't see. Yeah. I'm telling you right now, Josh absolutely can hit the stars with his voice, sounding amazing again, and the rest of the band just sounds absolutely incredible. Again, I am absolutely enjoying this, and like I said, they sound fantastic. The orchestra portion sounds amazing, and I truly, truly do enjoy this Candlelight Sessions. Fantastic job. Let's take this all the way to the end, guys. Wow, again, another amazing song from Greta Van Fleet. I have never heard that song, and I absolutely enjoyed it. What a fantastic request. Thank you, In a Tizzy 05W. That was amazing. Please let me know what you guys think down in the comments section. I would love to know your thoughts again about Greta Van Fleet and this song, Tears of Rain. I thought it was fantastic, but I would love to know your thoughts. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, share this video, drop a comment down below. But more than anything, please make sure we continue to support these artists, just like I said in the beginning. And please make sure, if you've got the time, that you can do that. And to my TR family, just like In a Tizzy, you guys are absolutely incredible, and I am truly, truly blessed to have each and every one of you in this TR family, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the amazing things that you guys provide, giving us great music, great artists, and absolutely fantastic comments. I truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I thank you again from the bottom of my heart. And to those of you who have not subscribed but you would like to become part of this TR family, we would absolutely love to have you. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below or hit that join button. Either way, you too could become part of this amazing TR family. And as I said before, we would love to have you. And as always, peace out. I love you all. Catch you next time.